Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made for 2023 to my hotel/motel business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is I'm going to just go ahead and point out probably about 2 or 3 different changes that I've made to my hotel/motel business plan template, the updates that I've done for 2023. And then at the end of the video, we'll wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. All right, so change number 1 or update number 1, as we all know, when you're writing your hotel/motel business plan, you definitely want to use up-to-date industry research. And so what I have is I've got a subscription to IBIS World, and IBIS World is an industry leader in industry research. So I went into my subscription, plugged in hotel and motel industry, and out came a whole bunch of information. And what I did is I summarized the most important parts, and I've included that in the hotel/motel business plan template. So all that good information summarized from IBIS World as well as some other sources. And some of the industry research that I've updated was the revenues, the profits, profit margin, businesses, employment, and the wages. So all that good stuff is now updated for 2023. The next update that I made to my hotel/motel business plan template is I've expanded the industry research. Typically what I would do for my templates is I'd have about 1 page available for the industry research. Now I've added this section for the product and segmentation. So for example, the hotel/motel industry revenues are generated mainly by hotel guest room rentals, and then batter up would be your restaurants and bars. That was 10% of the revenues generated, and then 8% with other services. So now we've got additional industry research available in my hotel/motel business plan template. The third change that I've made is I've updated my profit and loss section to allow for more customization. So when you go through your profit and loss statement, the financial model, and you update all the information in there, if you want to go ahead and change the monthly growth rate for revenues, you can now do that at the profit and loss tab. Just go to the profit and loss year 1. And then right here, sales growth, you are able to change the sales growth as you see fit to reflect whatever you think your monthly growth rate is going to be. You just change that information in these darker color cells, and the revenues will grow or decline as you state. All right, so those are the updates that I've made to the hotel/motel business plan template for 2023. So let's go ahead and sum it up and wrap it up. So if you are interested in buying my hotel/motel business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial, and that's found on my website. It also comes with a basic financial model customized for the hotel/motel industry, as well as a brief tutorial. Again, it's on my website for the business plan template. Further, I've got additional business plan template tutorials, and you can find those at this link right here. There are some limitations to all of my business plan templates. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs, and is also not compatible with Apple products. So you do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. Further, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you want to have a great conversation about my hotel/motel business plan template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. However, after you buy the template, if you need help with completing it, I do charge for my services. There is no free phone support, so just keep that in mind. And you can find my prices for services, whether if you need a custom business plan or financial projections done. That information would be right here on my custom business plan writing services. And then finally, if you're interested in buying my hotel/motel business plan template, you can purchase it at this link right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.